You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Moja nananum shegu edigu on my yeah.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so senia eya meka no aprobo ewo social media ana Ghana ententan kese so na amaye ni akwa story bi so a misusu se ewo se mede bremo we eye allegation bi a Justice Kwekwanan wode eba. Now you know my stance on Justice Kwekwanan already. Munim asemo eya meka fa ne ho se ensem bebre a wotai ka fa nkrofo ho eya na mimi susu se evidence a wode eba no enhyeda enye solid to me sir ensem bebre a waka fa nkrofo ho. Now this time around he's talking about an MPP MP aspirant B obi ana waye na adwen say wo be stand on the ticket of a year MPP wo use the name of the presidency after say what they defrauding Crawford you say Obabi Krano 500,000 Ghana cedis a year pape allegedly we defrauded any pakrono. Now we'll go into the article and then asemno bibia e was say ye de etono ye de beto ye be say Justice Kwekwanan en semwa wo kan fa pape ho no a personal vendetta bi a wo against this man and indeed pape ayesade na. Now let's go into the story. Or say Papa Nidin the Prince Hadi Adams. It was a Prince Hadi Adams, a one-time parliamentary hopeful in Gushegu, was called out on the 2 TV. He's said to have defrauded a businesswoman of over 500,000 Ghana cedis. Now, I say Prince Hadi Adams, a one-time parliamentary hopeful of the MPP, has been accused of impersonation, blackmail, and fraud, according to a journalist on Pro MPP Net 2 TV. I say Kwekwanan, host of the Seat Show, reported on the September 1st edition, a year endra, and then September 2nd, into endra, September 1st edition of the program, that Hadi Adams has been posing as an official working at the Jubilee House, a position he has exploited to engage in fraudulent deals. Now, I say Pape Eyobia, or Yane want to say Wobia Woye Juma ewo Jubilee House. Or that Nkrofo say Woye Juma ewo Jubilee House. Na ade a woye wo de bu Nkrofo bebre in fraudulent deals. Now we will speak on this. Now when who say Ghana for yenso ye ka ho bi. Yes, say asemwe eye ne kre say wo bia ye saa. Ghana for yenso ye ka ho bi. Na ye be kasa e wo saa asem ne so. Or say Hadi is accused of using his non-existent closeness to the corridors of power to dupe a woman of over 500,000 Ghana cedis before turning back to threaten the victim and a TV producer with death. Now, also I will say, this guy is using the name of a number of people, including Kennedy Japan. He has used the name of Lord Oblite Komi to claim that he works in his office. We have checked. He's not known to Komi in any way. Lord Komi says the rate at which the guy is going around defrauding people, he needs to be arrested. He goes around telling people that he works at Jubilee House. He has taken a businesswoman's over 500,000 cedis. Asema Kwekwanan Kanono. But he subsequently produced a campaign poster showing the photo of Hadi Adams when he announced plans in 2020 to contest the MPP parliamentary primaries in the Gushegu constituency. Otoaswa was a Hadi, he added, has since threatened the woman in question, as well as producer of the Seat program, parading his powers by way of being wealthy and a nodna. Anand said a lot of unscrupulous people were using the presidency as a rag on the floor. He further disclosed that Prince Hadi had refused to appear on the program to explain allegations leveled against him. Relative to his parliamentary dreams, Hadi did not contest the primary because, as it turns out, incumbent Hassan Tampuli was elected unopposed as the MPP aspirant, going on to win the seat with over 51% of votes in the 2020 elections. According to 2020 reports online, Hadi was identified as the CEO of the Northern Youth for Peace and Development when he declared his intention to contest the MPP primaries in April 2020. A purported check produced by Netu ostensibly to repay his indebtedness to the stranded woman confirmed that the signatories were members of the said group. Now, this is the issue. Inti Justice Kwekwana nsɛm a wɔkani na allegation a wɔde ɛto papa yi so ɛtrɛ sɛ papa yi sɛbe wakɔ akɔyɛ wɔ bi bugata we bu maame bi of over 500,000. Now, in this particular article, wanka maame no de nam so a papa ne bu no, but the anti American and say Ghana for yen so ye kan ho bi. We are part. So muni amobeka, let me give you a story. If indeed papa yin semo ayede to no so eye ne kra Ghana for ye kan ho bi. So muni amobeka somewhere 2 or 3 years ago. And yes, I think 2 years ago. Me the story be bremo. A branch bi a wono nso saa we obi ana we known MPP figure and no we use Jubilee House ebu nkrofo. Na branch no nim de oye. Kasa aba port. Sebe yemfa ne se Ghana ni a wo wa abrochire. Wa sene car ana Ghana ni wa ase ya wa toka. E na wo de afa port, e na aba port. Na san se high charges ewo port ni nti. Ghana ni no car no wintumi ankle. Obon se port ebeba be ka se okay car no ye no auction. Na car no ya teso amobi. Nipa kro no wo Jubilee House onubia no claim se wo Jubilee House wakojije nkrofo ska agigi sika wo nkrofo ho se wo ye adwuma wo Jubilee House na wo pe auction car because auction car ne bo ofu ni nti nkrofo ko tua sika ema nipa kro no na se nipa kro we ode nkrofo kra ko Jubilee House ho ema wo ko ra office bi mu e the receipt brain nkrofo na say okay sika mo atua no eni at the end of the day ne ye bukata. Now, how the person got access to the Jubilee House and how that person was able to bring a receipt from that Jubilee House. Edebeye nkrofo bukata no eyadia na ye nkrofo wanwa. But the America no any Ghana for ye kan ho bi ye pe chief side dodo. Justice Kwekwana didn't state the reason why papa yi wodi bu mami if indeed it is true. But what person what say papa ne nam e na wo kan se wono no wo ben Kennedy Japan wo ben Jubilee House or wo say se bo be kom no na eye deal bi say bia contract bi ene ye dia ne sa if indeed maka se asem na Justice Kwekwana na ka no eye ne kra because me mama mo ati ase based on precedents ene ensem Justice Kwekwana no kafa nkrofo ho e de betu dwa keke evidence then said na papa san no eya na the assembly sa aba na eya na me contemplate but ni na news I was say ye ka ho asem nti ye de ye beka but we will make our point known say asem way ye nheda anye say if you want to believe in it is at your own will. Now one thing about Justice Kwekwana sometimes so ye I am mesrene say wo betena ni TV station ho na wakasa fo obi hu wi a o se ye man ye de ya ma okwan se bra ha se na be yi hu ano akwa okwa kan se ma fo obi hu wi a we ka se mama okwan se bra na be yi hu ano mbe se obeba but that's just by the way but semu a me kan no Ghana se nya Ghana aye no masa enkrofo de adwen enenam se wan hwe ni ya ye bebu. And you see, sometimes you don't really want to pin all the blame on these people too. Because on my team, we could do points bia. If you are not a politician or you are not politically connected, maybe genuinely, you not even get some contracts bia wase wunya. We all know this. And the contracts bia wase wo bia nya bia no unless a winning politician be edisika eko yewe edisika eko yewe answer. Masa, and I may know say, and even common national and no point and then I shall say common national service, grano masa. If you don't have links, and now say sika one for sika and bar. Yen to mean say baby say ebia the wakwa to a crab ya say na baby out na ewa. Yen to mean say some Ghana baby ya ba bedu no. Na say forms aba I say ye be fan nkrofo wo police na wotie commenter eba na nkrofo ya kwa saline say wo mo koto forms na wotie commenter eba obehu ne say chale these people most of them they are just wasting their time and indeed it is true obekwa bra kwa form queue ebi mo wo ho a wo bi be baba be yi ne ho say oh me me wo Jubilee House ana me wo ehe sana nkrofo yo obeba abonti aba beka oh me wo Flagstaff House na me nim how they convince these people inti fasikabra opese ora police mo a ana soldier ana DND army mo a fasikabra mo se nipa kro no so wakwa peska na nsen ya branch bia wo ye adwuma wo pharmacy asem a wo ka atra me so opese ora army mu obi je ne 10,000 cedis a branch na asem a wo ka no whether a branch no wo twa ntro so de yen mameti wo obi ano obi a woni a branch ne ye adwuma o se nipa ko no eje 10,000 cedis nipa ko no ese wo ban nkrofo bi a politics we ni nechi na me ka tra nipa ko no se he o tua sa 10,000 na ami no ye mfa no wo be ka se nipa ko no bu no ubon se afi wo de nam ende ye bu mi o asomesi ebu mi o ende o daada me se wo free Jubilee House o daada me yan so ya ka ho bi na maka no sometimes I don't want to fully blame nipa no because yes nipa no so wo pay juma aside say yan so ye ka ho bi no the system also the system Ghana system no ene na masa anyama no ayeden aba the system we run in this country and also ka ho bi e masa anyama we ni na epeja ne mu because na ke see ye run a fair system devoid of political influence. Like there is no way anyama bi say besi untumi nkantem se wokwa abrochi ukope adwuma obi betumi aba be catch say of the office of the president of White House abrochi ho of White House office of the president itifaskabra na wo diskaba obema wadwuma. I mean ukra be hu say anipa ku wo twantro. Why? Because the systems over there no it works unim so obi be cancer ade na ntro na nipa ku no wo twa. But Ghana has say because deep down we even know say the system does not work ninti obi be can say ade na all the person needs to show and they say oh hwe me kra me obi a ebia me yema say me contest on the ticket of this political party wo beji edi musio kan no ne mpanyimfo yi bi we okoshi omo program bi ase no ne omo etwitwa pictures there and they would be bu ne pace yetire oni mpanyimfo yi bi akwa kotwitwa pictures masa and you be bu omo rough hwe na say we kra me ni twa picture me ni omo anenam we me ni we anenam me de be me bi amenam Flagstaff House me de na me de hwe picture say we hu picture no masa my way de de bi edru no masa sa but you see the problem I also have with Justice Kwekwana and say what are you doing about it makwa reporting the bakona na eya na eme ya say bibi say ubonsom de aba TV so aba beka ene nipa we ayewe meanwhile you know the right thing you have to do if indeed we boom ame na same way we are not even supposed to hear about it. Why are you telling us when there is law enforcement? Say NDC na wa ban mu anaka beka say well ebia wo Justice Kwekwana political party won't believe in wa ban mu ntino you serialize it on air and dey yebeji atum. But why is it that you are not reporting to the police? Why? Uti asemo kan na this guy must be arrested. He must be arrested. Obia o se we di bone o se o friend aba o show ne so say won bra mekasa. Obia we bu obi say na your friend ba show so. Enye police ne kokko report straight. Intino the other hono no. Ntwe mo adwo comment box ni mu be da say.